Welcome to Mind Shack, where curiosity gets fed. Today we're heading into the final frontier, space. A place so massive, mysterious, and downright strange, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around. From stars that could fit millions of Earths inside them, to the terrifying invisible monsters we call black holes. Buckle up, this is going to get cosmic. Let's start with something simple. Or not. Space is unbelievably massive. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is about 100,000 light years wide. That means if you could travel at the speed of light, which is about 186,000 miles per second, it would take you 100,000 years just to cross our own galaxy. And here's the kicker. The Milky Way is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each one of those galaxies holds millions or billions of stars, many with their own planets. That means the number of planets in the universe is basically uncountable. So if you ever felt small looking up at the stars, you're alright. Now, let's talk about the stars, because not all of them are like our sun. There are neutron stars, which are collapsed cores of massive stars. They're so dense, a single teaspoon of neutron material would weigh about 4 billion tons. Some spin hundreds of times per second. They're called pulsars, and they shoot beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. Then we've got red giants, white dwarfs, and even hypergiants, stars so large they could swallow our entire solar system. And what happens when some of these stars die? Well, that's when black holes enter the scene. So, what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong nothing can escape, not even light. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. The core compresses into an incredibly dense point known as a singularity. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. If anything crosses that boundary, it's gone forever. We can't see black holes directly, but we can detect their presence by observing how they affect nearby stars and light. In 2019, scientists captured the first ever image of a black hole shadow using a global network of radio telescopes. It was in the galaxy M87, about 55 million light years away, and that was a game-changing moment for astrophysicists. Are you ready for some black hole facts that will melt your brain? Time slows down near a black hole. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, the closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves. This isn't science fiction, it's real physics. And spaghettification is a thing. If you fell into a black hole, you'd be stretched into a long, thin noodle. Scientists call it spaghettification. It's brutal, but kind of funny. Black holes can collide. When two black holes emerge, they send ripples through space-time called gravitational waves. In 2015, scientists at LIGO detected these waves for the first time, proving Einstein right 100 years after he predicted them. And lastly, there's a massive black hole in the centre of our galaxy. It's called Sagittarius A, and it's 4 million times the mass of our Sun. But don't worry, it's 26,000 light years away, for now. Can black holes be thought portals? Some scientists and sci-fi fans have speculated, could black holes be gateways? There's a theory that black holes might connect to white holes, hypothetical opposites that spit matter out instead of pulling it in. Therefore, they'd form a wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. Now, there's no evidence white holes actually exist, and even if wormholes are a real thing. Flying through one would likely destroy anything inside. Still, the math says it might be possible, which means the universe could be stranger than we think. Black holes are just one piece of the puzzle. We still don't know what dark matter is, even though it makes up 27% of the universe. And dark energy? That's the mysterious force pushing the universe to expand faster and faster. It accounts for 68% of everything. In other words, over 95% of the universe is stuff we can't see, touch, or even fully understand. The more we think about it, the more we learn about it, the more questions we find. So next time when you're looking up at the stars, just remember, you're staring into a vast, mysterious ocean where time bends, stars collapse, and invisible giants roam. And we've only just begun to scratch the surface. If your brain feels slightly fried, That's what mind snacks are for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favourite space fact in the comment. Until next time, stay curious.